If you reach the age of 90, you'll die. Never forget. It's working! I knew you could do it!
I feel like I could solve anything in this place.
I'm sure you can. Excellent. You're quick. I like that. Although it may not matter, Watchmaker, because as it turns out, time does not exist.
It does exist.
Time is a matter of perspective. For a plant which lacks reasoning, it does not exist. It just grows, ages, and eventually dies. That is, if you neglect it.
What just makes sure time does exist?
With or without them, it's still non-existent. It's only a measurement system. Keep running.
Yes, I'm in a hurry.